how to use OpenAI's SORA AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see whether we can use it or not. So this is a text to video platform, and here you can create realistic videos from text, and it is absolutely amazing. But the thing is that OpenAI is not currently allowing general public to use it up, and they are only allowing some selected people in order to use this particular AI and get them the feedback so they can improve and launch it up for the general public. And they want to currently check it out whether there are some critical areas left in this particular AI and whether it can harm or create some risks. So that's why it is currently for just a selected pool of people and the likes of visual artists, designers and filmmakers. So you have to wait for a while, and after that you would be able to use this amazing platform. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.